My name is Maria Olon Tsaroucha. I think that writing is one of the most difficult things to do because words don't lie. The words you use in your writing reveals all the truth about you. It is hard to take whatever you have here and to put it in words. Creative writing is something different. Creative writing is the process that will help you come closer to what you truly want to say to society and to humanity out there. I first found out that I wanted to do something that had to do with the arts, and back then it was acting or singing or performing when I was 4. My first book was published when I was 13 years old as the youngest Greek writer. When I was 18, I graduated from high school. I studied sociology in Greece, and then I said, okay, Dad, I want to go to the United States and study acting. I graduated from the American Academy of Dramatic Arts. Finally, I came to realize that the reason I became an actress was because that was my way, my lenses of exploring exploring the answers to this pananthropic quest, which is who am I? You question yourself every day and you come closer to parts of you that you would never explore throughout any other process. It took me 18 years of research and study and 7 years of forming and structuring the method and the theory, and 3 years of writing the book. They say that it's a book that's for intellectuals. Well, I say that it's a book for everybody. I'm giving a new meaning to the word actor, and then I take all the acting process and I borrow it for the sake of exploring ourselves in our everyday experience. We are all creators by nature, and we've been conditioned by society to just think that way, act that way, be that way. So creative writing, it's the deeper need to explore who we truly are as human beings, besides the identities we carry. There is infinite selves within us, and I think that there comes a time in our lives where we all have to face the question, what am I doing and why am I doing it? So creative writing is about finding who you are and start enjoying it, you know. I come to you with nothing. I truly know nothing. I'm exploring myself and the world every day from scratch, like tabula rasa, right? Like a white page that I have nothing written, I know nothing, and I come to you as, you know, let's communicate, let's enlighten within us this wonderful light, universal, infinite light of who we are. So it's not about me teaching you, it's about just being the one who's holding the light. So I just turn it on, and then you see within you what you already know, but you have not been in touch with it yet. And what's more beautiful in life than having people opening to you, and you open to people, you're open to people like an open book, and then they come to you with the same notion. Then that's wonderful. I love doing that. I'm one of the lucky people that what I do, it comes from who I am. You know, I have these to offer. I really want to offer to the community. I want to belong. And I think that's one of the vital needs that we have today. Communicate, you know, sit in this wonderful desk, just have fun, have our coffees, and just communicate. I think actually that's a good solution to all the problems that we have. Whoever, you know, doesn't want to live a superficial life and wants to dive into the knowledge of being is more than welcome to join the workshop. Philosophers of the world, great minds of the world, amazing souls come and unite to this wonderful world of finding out who we are. Don't think logically. Just leave out of the door when you step in your identities, your logical way of thinking, anything that you think you might say or you should say, forget about this. You take out the creative part of you. It's also a place where we can be free, we can have fun, we can do whatever we want to do. So it's an ongoing process, you know. It's like whatever it's on the table from you guys, I'm gonna take it and offer it back to you in creative ways, so you can come back with more creative ways, so we create a creative world. I think in the end everything is about just finding peace within us. Offer to the world what you have, because the world is in great need of what you have.